Is your Hyundai Ioniq key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a synchronization issue. First, replace the CR232 battery. Pry open the fob carefully. Incorrect insertion can cause problems. Then, attempt a resync. Cycle the ignition and press the lock-unlock buttons in sequence while near the car. For models with a start button, try holding the fob near the button while starting. These simple steps resolve most key fob problems, as reported by many Ioniq owners in online communities. Remember to avoid water exposure and replace the battery every 1 to 2 years. If battery replacement and resync attempts don't solve the problem, the antenna module could be the issue. This module receives signals from your key fob. Failures often manifest as one-way operation where the fob unlocks but won't lock, or complete non-response. Check for corrosion or loose connections in the module. For more severe issues, you may need professional replacement of the antenna module, costing $200 to $500 at dealers. Notably, Hyundai has addressed some antenna module issues through recalls and software updates, particularly for 2020 to 2024 Ioniq models. Looking ahead, Hyundai is integrating digital keys with smartphones, potentially phasing out physical fobs entirely. This uses apps and NFC technology for locking, unlocking, and starting the vehicle. Always test your fixes in a secure location to avoid accidental lockouts. Following these troubleshooting steps should help resolve most key fob issues with your Hyundai Ioniq.